Welcome to framesi. You're now part of our family. My name is Jeremy Abraham. I'm from Seattle. I've been in the industry for 35 years, and I've been with framesi for 15. As part of our framesi education series, this video will show you how to mix, measure, and apply framesi cream hair color, leaving your client with the desired result perfect every time. Today I'll be working with Framcolor Eclectic 5D Color Gloss, and everything I'm sharing with you can be found in a technical manual under the Mixing, Measuring, and Application section. All right, let's get started. So Framcolor Eclectic 5D Color Gloss comes in 2 ounces or 60 mLs. You can certainly measure it right into the bottle, or you can measure it into the bowl. Today I'm going to measure it with a scale. There are times where I want a little bit more or a little bit less, which is why I think a scale works really well for that. And I'm going to use the 5D Color Gloss Activator. Mix Framcolor Eclectic 5D Color Gloss in a 1:1 ratio with Framcolor Eclectic 5D Color Gloss Activator. Put on your cap, finger over, and we'll just shake it up. Release, good to go. With Framcolor Eclectic 5D Color Gloss, it makes applying your toner super easy. You can either do it with a bowl and brush, or you could do it with a bottle. I'm just gonna start my application. This is just an all-over toning. And I'm gonna take it and use my thumb and just kind of get in around that hairline. And then just come in with nice vertical sections using my thumb to sort of just smear that in. I'm gonna apply it to the root area first, and then I'll drag it through the rest of the hair. And then once you get it through that area, we'll just pull it through. And this just works so beautifully on towel dried hair. So as we apply to the mids and ends, you can take a nice large tooth comb and bring that all the way through that hair. Now we just let it process anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. Once it's done processing, we just rinse and we can use conditioner. You do not have to use shampoo, which is a wonderful part. I'm excited for you to achieve amazing results with your clients. Framesi supports our stylists and is committed to providing ongoing education. If you have any questions from today's video, or maybe a formulation question back in the salon, you can always reach out to one of our certified technicians by calling our tech line at 1-800-245-6323. Or you can visit our website at framesiprofessional.com. There you'll find all kinds of inspirational videos, as well as technical information and new products. Please reach out to us on social media and follow us. Tag us in anything that you might post yourself. We're so glad for you to be a part of our framesi family. Thank you so much for your time today. Bye-bye.